unlimited storage on your phone or tablet, moving apps to your SD card can be a really quick and easy way to free up some valuable space and extend the lifespan of your device. And here is how you can do it. So this is exactly how to move apps to SD card or external storage on any Android device. So simply get into your mobile settings first and then tap on the apps. And in this section, you will find all your apps that are installed. Simply I am selecting the Amazon right now, and here you have to scroll down, find and select the storage here. So as you can see, it's right there. Tap on the storage section, and if you have inserted the SD card, then only you will show this option of storage used, internal storage. Simply tap on change and tap on SD card. Now you will see export Amazon option, exporting Amazon and its data to SD card. So simply tap on move from the bottom bar. Now as you can see, the process is started to move the Amazon to SD card, and this is how you can move any app on Android to the external storage. Make sure that you have inserted your external storage properly and it's working, not corrupted. Thanks for watching.